how to fix Valorant lag, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, just type here background apps, click on it. First, just turn off this option, background apps, turn it off, and then type here game mode. Click game mode settings. Now enable game mode and go to Xbox game bar, disable it, and after that type here graphics settings. Now enable this option here, you will find it like that. Just turn it on and go back. And now once you're here, type here notifications, and here you will find notifications and actions settings. Click on it and disable notifications, and also go to tablet mode and click never use tablet mode here, and that's it. Now restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.